Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Venus, rules Taurus, Libra, exaltation Pisces, detriment Aries, fall Scorpio, responsible, love, sex, married, property, GIF, mirror of vanity of the goddess Venus, represents, social urge, sense of value, anatomy, throat, chin, cheeks, sense of taste, kidneys, ovaries, internal reproductive organs, venous blood circulation, sensory organs of skin. Keyword, affection. General, never located more than 46 degrees distant from the Sun. Venus is the planet of love. In early times it was called the lesser benefit. Rules art, culture, aesthetics, possessions, partners, beauty, charm, good taste, sentimentality, sweets and sugar, color, harmony, poetry, paintings, jewelry, singing, drama and music. Venus's action is gentle and harmonious. Governs emotional contacts, tenderness, moral character, marriage and unions of all kinds. Also, sociability, disposition, luxuries, pleasure and appreciation. Venus is the planet of love and sensuality, not sex. Where you find Venus in the chart shows what you really enjoy. The second house, mine. The second house shows financial affairs, values, freedom, inner and outer, resources, earning ability, possessions. Natural sign is Taurus. Natural ruler is Venus. Keyword is values. The second is a house of substance and earth. Quality is succeeding house. General. The second house shows financial affairs, possessions, except real estate, investments, earning power, and any gain or loss through your own efforts. It indicates your inner talents and resources, your need for fulfillment, your emotional feelings, your sense of self-worth and your sense of values. Since many people believe that liberty is largely a matter of money, this is the house of personal liberty. It is also the house of material debt. Venus in second house. When the planet Venus is placed in the second house of your birth chart, you appreciate beautiful possessions, including jewelry, decorative items, and works of art. You like to be surrounded by beautiful objects, which uplift your spirit, reminding you of the pleasures of the world. You are not necessarily selfish in your efforts to acquire beautiful items, but are often willing to share your pleasure with other people. It is fortunate that you are likely to attract enough luck that you can afford some luxuries in life. You will appreciate any relationship that contributes to your emotional and financial security. You are likely to make your money from professions related to the arts, resorts, hotels, and cosmetics. Register to see free online horoscopes. You register quickly via Facebook or by email. Step 2. Enter your date of birth. Find the city of birth according to the syntax: city, state, country. Check your date of birth. Step 3. Your date of birth information will be assigned to an ID code. You use this ID code to view the horoscope online in different tabs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please tell me. If you want free horoscopes, please watch below video.
Thank you.
See you in the next video.